Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. In this release, we've introduced the ability to link multiple change requests to a single claim. This new capability allows for more flexible management of claim scope, better settlement tracking, and improved workflow clarity. Most importantly, RMS reversed the relationship model. Instead of linking claims to change requests, RMS can now link multiple change requests directly to claims. Let's explore what that means and how it works. Previously, a claim contained a single reference field tied to one change request. With real-world projects often generating multiple modifications affecting a single claim, this structure became restrictive. The new model reverses the relationship. Instead of claims linking to change requests, we now have change requests linking to claim. This enables multiple change requests linked to one claim, improved scope management, better alignment between commercial and operational tracking, and clearer dispute documentation. To demonstrate this, we will open a test contract in government mode with contractor claims disputes already submitted. Navigate to the Finances tab and select the Contractor Claims Disputes module. Now double-click to enter into the submitted claim. As we can see, the Contractor Claim Dispute Edit view now has a dedicated section to add change requests below. To add a change request, click the plus link sign button. A list of contract change requests will display along with all the pertinent information about each change request. Select the request desired and either double-click or select the OK button. We may add another change request following the same steps as before. You may also edit the modification directly from this view if changes are necessary. Simply double-click the modification to enter the Modification Edit view. Here you can make changes to any of the tabs without backing out of the Claims Disputes module. To unlink any unnecessary modifications, simply select the unwanted modification and click the Unlink option. Now, this contractor claim dispute can be edited until the file is closed. In summary, multiple change requests can now be tied to a single claim. The single reference field is replaced by a flexible selection grid. Editing works smoothly, and advanced handling scenarios are planned for future sprints. This enhancement significantly improves flexibility in claim scope management and settlement tracking. For any issues or difficulties with completing any of the tasks demonstrated, please reach out to the RMS Support Help Desk by email or give us a call at our help desk phone. Thank you for watching.